నమో నమః. అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. శుభోదయం. టుడే is the ninth day of our classes on Sanskritam learning by Sri Akella Hemakanta Prabhakar Rao garu. We will start the session with Vande Mataram by Challa Chittibabu garu. Challa Chittibabu garu.
వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం సుజలాం సుఫలాం మలయజ శీతలాం సస్యశ్యామలాం మాతరం వందే మాతరం శుభ్రజ్యోత్స్నా పులకితయామినీ పుల్లకుసుమితా ద్రుమదళ శోభినీ సుహాసినీ సుమధుర భాషిణీ సుఖదాం వరదాం మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం.
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్ల చిట్టిబాబు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నౌ లెట్ us request Sharada Appala to chant Prarthana, please.
सर्वेभ्यो नमस्कारः. Let us first meditate a minute. Now chant Omkara 3 times. Om. 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 ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमस्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्री महागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामविद्रवतु। ॐ श्री महासरस्वत्यै नमः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहस्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशिरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे स्मृतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवत् व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
ధన్యవాదములండి శారద గారు.
ధన్యవాదాలు సార్.
చాలా బాగా చెప్పారు. అందరికీ హోలీ పండుగ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నౌ లెట్ us రిక్వెస్ట్ ప్రభాకర్ రావు గారు టు స్టార్ట్ ద వెబినార్ ప్లీజ్.
हरि ओम नमस्ते. होली शुभाशयाः सर्वेभ्यः शुभं भूयात्. इदानीं पञ्चमपाठः. वयं परस्मैपदी क्रियापर्यन्तं पठितवन्तः. We are read up to परस्मैपदी. 1 second. Now आत्मनेपदी. आत्मनेपदी धातु द्वन्द्व धातु भाष धातु स्वद हस् डै सह परीक्षा उत्साह एतानि धातवोः आत्मनेपदी धातवः. आत्मनेपदी प्रेरणा प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं प्रेरणार्थकम्. We have read till now वर्तमानकालं भूतकालं. Now we are reading प्रेरणा. So what is वर्तमानकाल रूपं for आत्मनेपदी? द्वन्द्व धातु. You take one dhatu and tell वन्दते. आत्मनेपदी प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं वन्दते. वर्तमानकालः. भूतकालः अवन्दत. Now प्रेरणार्थकं वन्दताम्. Atam will come. So Vartamana ate has come. Bhutakalam ata has come. And now Praranarthakam atam will come. Pranava Purusha Ekavachanam. क्रियारूपम सह भाषताम भाष प्लस अताम बालः रसम स्वदताम स्वद प्लस अताम स्वदताम खगः आकाशे डयताम डै प्लस अताम डयताम सह कंठम सह कष्टम सहताम सह प्लस अताम सहताम गुरुः छात्रान् परीक्षताम परीक्ष प्लस अताम परीक्षताम भवान् उत्सहताम उत्सह प्लस अताम उत्सहताम बालः चित्रम ईक्षताम ईक्ष प्लस अताम ईक्षताम कर्मकरः यतताम यत प्लस अताम यतताम सभ्यः भाषताम भाष प्लस अताम भाषताम दीपः प्रकाशताम प्रकाश प्लस अताम प्रकाशताम. So what was वर्तमान कालम? If you take example, सह भाषताम is प्रेरणार्थक. सह भाषते वर्तमान काल. सह अभाषता भूतकालम. सह भाषताम प्रेरणार्थक. So this third kriya rupam we have learned now. Okay. आत्मनेपदी प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया. Pranartha kriya only is Ajnarthakam and Abhyarthana also. Only tone will change. Saha bhashatam Pranarthakam. Saha bhashatam, that is Ajna. Saha bhashatam, that is Abhyarthana. So like that, we have to change the tone and say that, because it's used for all the three. Now, the main thing is Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam, Atmanepadi, Pranarthakam. The Prachayam that is used for all the verbs is Atam. And what is Bahuvachanam Prachayam for this? Te Spardhantam, Antam, Atam, Antam. Atmanepadi Vartamana Kalam, Ate, Ante. This one is Pranarthakam is Atam, Antam. That nakaram will come extra. That is Bahuvachanam. Janaha Panditaha Slaghantam. Chhatraha Uttaram Uhantam. Sarve Modantam. Alasaha Napalayantam. Mahilaha Na Lajjantam. Karyani Vardhantam. Bhavatyaha Na Twarantam. Chhatraha Punaha Yatantam. Antam. Antam has come. So, for this Ekavachanam, we increase our same. If we talk about Ekavachanam, say Spardhatam. That nakaram we remove. That's all. Te Spardhatam. Janaha Panditam Slaghatam. Chhatraha Uttaram Gohatam. Sarve Modatam. Alasaha Na Palayatam. Bhavantaha Ma Jigratam. Kijjatam. Mahilaha Na Lajjatam. Mahila, sorry, Shamitam. నేను అన్ని బహువచనం వాడేశాను. తే స్పర్ధంతాం సహ స్పర్ధతాం. జనాః పండితం శ్లాఘంతాం జనః పండితం శ్లాఘతాం. ఛాత్రాః ఉత్తరం ఊహంతాం ఛాత్రః ఉత్తరం ఊహతాం. సర్వే మోదంతాం సర్వః మోదతాం. అలసాః న పలాయంతాం అలసః న పలాయతాం. భవంతః మా ఖిద్యంతాం భవాన్ మా ఖిద్యతాం. మహిళాః న లజ్జంతాం మహిళా న లజ్జతాం. కార్యాణి వర్ధంతాం కార్యం వర్ధతాం. భవత్యః న త్వరంతాం భవతీ న త్వరతాం. ఛాత్రాః పునః యతంతాం ఛాత్రః పునః యతతాం. So tadaiva, that nakara you remove and put the karta in ekavachanam. That will be the bahuvachanam to ekavachanam transformation. Now if we go to Madhyama Purusha, simple. Only karta is only tvam and yum. Madhyam Purush Ekavachanam, Tvam is a karta, and the prachayam we get is aswa. Tvam kshamaswa, ksham plus aswa, kshamaswa. Tvam yataswa, yat plus aswa, yataswa. Tvam kashtam sahaswa, saha plus aswa, sahaswa. Tvam trayasya, trayasya, tray plus aswa, trayasya. Tvam spardhasya, spardha plus aswa, spardhaswa. So aswa has come. Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, the prachayam that is to be used, aswa. And Bahuvachanam, yuyam bhashadvam, advam. Yuyam sahadvam, yuyam spardhadvam, yuyam yatadvam, yuyam vohadvam. Advam comes. Adve, Vartamana Kalam. A plus Advam is Bhutakalam. Advam is, just Advam is, Praranataka. So that's how the transformation, the three vachanas. And Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam. Aham is only karta. Vandai. I will come here. Vand plus I. Vand plus A is Vartamana Kalam. Vand plus A, Vande. Aham Vande. Vartamana Kalam. A. Aham Vandai. Praranataka. Bhutakalam. Avande. Just A is added. Avande. Aham Vandai. Aham Bhashai. Aham Sahai. Aham Vohai. Aham Yatai. Now, Bhuvachanam, Vayam Bhashamahai. Vartamana Kalam, Vayam Bhashamahe. Bhutakalam, Vayam Abhashamahe. Abhashamahi. Now, Vayam Bhashamahai. Vayam Vandamahai. Vayam Ikshamahai. Vayam Kastam Sahamahai. Vayam Pariksha Sahai. Varshamahai. Parikshamahai. So like that, we have the Praranartha Kriya for Uttama Purusha. Ekavachanam and Bahuvachanam. Now, if you go to the tables, the table for this Praranartha Kriya Parasmaipadi is Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam, Pradhama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. Gach is the dhatu. Praranartha Kriya Parasmaipadi dhatu. Gachatu, Gachatam, Gachantu. Gacha, Gachatam, Gachata. Gachani, Gachava, Gachama. Atmanepadi, Praranarthakam, Atmanepadi, Praranarthakam. That will be Pradhama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. Pradhama Purusha. Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam. Vandaswa, Vandetham, Vandadvam. Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai. If you go to the Vartamana Kalam, how the table comes, just let us compare the Vartamana Kalam and then read again. Go to the Vartamana table in your book. Lesson 2. Go to lesson 2 and see Gachatu, how it is. How the table is, how the prachayams are written there, and how the prachayams are being written here. Lesson 2. Lesson 3. Lesson 3. Go ahead, go to lesson 3. Lesson 3, tables. Gachati, apne parasmaipadi. Vartamana kalaha. Gachati, please keep the table in this table and I'm sharing it, the Prarana table, and keep the Vartamana table for you in your book and compare these two. Gachati, Gachataha, Gachanti. Praranarthakam is Gachatu, Gachatam, Gachatam, Gachantu. Madhyama Purusha, Gachasi, Gachataha, Gachata. Praranarthakam Gacha, Gachatam, Gachata. Uttama Purusha, Gachami, Gachavaha, Gachamaha. Gachani, Gachava, Gachama. So like that you find out the difference, how it is from Vartamana Kalam to This column is changing. Prachaya means how it is changing. Then next, if we come to the Atmanepadi, Vartamana Kalaha, Vandate, Vandete, Vandante. Here it is Vandatam, Vandetam, Vandantam. Purusha, Vandase, Vandethe, Vandadve. Praranarthakam, Vandaswa, Vandetham, Vandadvam. And Uttama Purusha, Vande, Vandavahe, Vandamahe, Vartamana Kalam, Vandai, Vandavahai, Vandamahai. Just he, I cast I, that's all. What is the difference? What is changing? You remember those things. You reserve your memory for that purpose only. Don't use another things to be kept in memory. Dhatu need not be put in memory because Dhatu is changing. You have to put the prachayams in memory. What prachayam is coming there? How to add that to the Dhatu? That's what you have to see. That's all. Now let us go to next lesson, fourth lesson, the Bhutakala table. In Bhutakala table, again we will compare it, how it is. Bhutakala table, apatat, apatatam, apatan. Here, patatu, patatam, patantu. Madhyama Purusha, apataha, apatam, apatata. Here, pat, patha, patical. It's not pat, patha, patatam, patata. Then Uttama Purusha, apatam, apatava, apatama. In Praranarthakam, patani, patava, patama. Okay. Now let us go to Atmanepadi, Bhutakalam, and Atmanepadi Praranarthakam. How we compare that? Pradama Purusha, avandata, avandetam, avandanta. Praranarthakam, vandatam, vandetam, vandantam. Vandatam, vandetam, vandantam. Then Madhyama Purusha, avandatha, avandetham, avandadvam. Here, Praranarthakam, vandaswa, vandetham, vandadvam. Vandetham and vandadvam, only I is removed, that's all. Otherwise, same as Bhutakala. But I removed Praranarthakam. Then comes to Uttama Purusha, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Here, vandai, vandavahai, vandamahai. So, he, high ayipin. Avandavahi, avandamahi, vandavahai, vandamahai. I is removed, he is replaced by high. So, that's how the change is coming. So, with this now, again, you have to make the sentences. How do you make the sentences? Let us take Parasmanipadi. Uttama Purusha. Ekavachanam. Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam. Aham, avam, vayam. Kartal. Aham, avam, vayam. Karta Swarupalu. Kriyalu, gacchani, gacchava, gacchama. Aham gacchani. Avam gacchava. Vayam gacchama. Madhyama Purusha. Tvam yuvam yuyam. Tvam gaccha. Yuvam gacchatam. Yuyam gacchata. Gacchata. Pradhama Purusha. Namavachaka Sabda. Balaha. Balaha gacchatu. Balau gacchatam. Balaha gachantu. Balika. Balika gacchatu. Balike gacchatam. Balika gachantu. Mitram. Mitram gacchatu. Mitre gacchatam. Mitrani gachantu. Take Sarvanama Sabdam. Tat Sabdam. Saha gacchatu. Tau gacchatam. Te gachantu. Sa gacchatu. Te gacchatam. ताः गच्छन्तु। तत् तत् शब्दं तत् गच्छतु, ते गच्छतां, तानि गच्छन्तु. This is how we make the sentences and practice. How to practice like this, then only you can master the subject. Next, go to Atmanepadi. How the sentence is made. Uttama Purusha. Aham vandai, avam vandavahai, vayam vandamahai. Madhyama Purusha. Tvam vandasva, yuvam vandetham, yuyam vandatvam. Prathama Purusha. Namvachaka Sabda. Balakaha or balaha. Balakaha, balaha. Anything. Balaha vandatam. Balau vandetam. Balaha vandantam. Balika, Strilinga Sabdam. Vandatam. Balike vandetam. Balikaha vandantam. Mitram vandatam. Mitre vandetam. Mitraha, mitrani vandantam. Mitrani vandantam. Next, Sarvanam Sabdam. Saha vandatam. Tau vandetam. Te vandantam. Sa vandatam. Te vandetam. Taha vandantam. Tat vandatam. Te vandetam. Tani vandantam. So like that, it is to be practiced. At least five tables you have to practice. I don't know whether you have done it or not. Better to do it. For mastering it, better do it. Then next comes this how we have completed the Kriya Rupam of this fifth lesson. Then comes to Vyavaharika Shabdaha. As I told you, Vyavaharika Shabdaha, but every word you have to go to the 11th table, 11th lesson, and get the Ekavachanam, Divachanam, Bahuvachanam for Pradhama Vibhakti and Ditya Vibhakti also till now. Because Ditya Vibhakti also we are learning now. So for Pradhama Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti, for every word you have to learn. Now we see here starts with Sudha, Lekhana Samagri. Lekhan Samagri Shabdaha. Lekhan Samagri Shabdaha, Pradhama Asti Sudhakandaha. Sudhakandaha Pullinga Shabdam. Visarga is there, Pullinga Shabdam. Akaranta Shabdam, Sudhakanda. Pratipadika root word is Sudhakanda. So Akaranta Pullingaha Sudhakanda Shabdaha. Akaranta Pullinga Sudhakanda Shabdaha. Sudhakandaha Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Sudhakandau Pradhama Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Sudhakandaha Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. And Ditya Vibhakti Sudhakandam, Sudhakandau, Sudhakandan. Pradhama Vibhakti Sudhakandaha, Sudhakandau, Sudhakandaha. Ditya Vibhakti Sudhakandam, Sudhakandau, Sudhakandan.
Change the page.
Change the page, correct. Yes. Thank you. Sudhakandaha, Sudhakandau, Sudhakandaha. Sudhakandam, Sudhakandau, Sudhakandan. Similar, Rabbarabandha, Rabbarabandha, Rabbarabandau, Rabbarabandha. Akaranta Pullinga, Rabbarabandha Sabdaha, Rabbarabandha, Rabbarabandau, Rabbarabandha. Akaranta Pullinga, Niryasa Sabdaha, Niryasaha, Niryasau, Niryasaha, Niryasam, Niryasau, Niryasan. Rabbarabandha, Rabbarabandau, Rabbarabandha. Rabbarabandam, Rabbarabandha, Bandhau, Rabbarabandhan. Niryasaha, Niryasau, Niryasaha, Niryasam, Niryasau, Niryasaha. Ditya Vibhakti. Similarly, Patrabharaha, Akaranta Pullinga Patrabhara Shabdaha, Patravaraha, Patravharau, Patravaraha. Ditya Vibhakti. Patrabharam, Patravharau, Patravaraha. Akaranta Strilinga Utpitika Shabdaha. Rama Shabdam, Rama Rame Ramaha, Ramam Rame Ramaha. Like that. Akaranta Strilinga Utpitika Shabdaha. Utpitika, Utpitike, Utpitikaha, Utpitikam. उत्पीठिके उत्पीठिकाः द्वितीया विभक्ति अंतर्पेटिका अंतःपेटिका similarly just like utpetika antahpetika also antahpetika antahpetike antahpetikaah antahpetikam antahpetike antahpetikaah then randhrika similar way randhrika randhrike randhrikaah आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग रंध्रिका शब्दः रंध्रिका रंध्रिके रंध्रिकाः द्वितीया विभक्ति रंध्रिकां रंध्रिका रंध्रिके रंध्रिकाः then मृदुमुद्रा similar way then मापिका same लेपन पट्टिका same लेखनी ईकारण शब्द goes like a गौरी शब्द गौरी गौरियौ गौर्यः लेखनी लेखन्यौ लेखन्यः ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग लेखनी शब्दः लेखनी लेखन्यौ लेखन्यः लेखनीं लेखन्यौ लेखनीः लेखनीः विसर्ग लेखनीः गौरी शब्दम ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंगः गौरी शब्दः गौरी गौर्यौ गौर्यः द्वितीया विभक्ति गौरीं गौर्यौ गौरीः गौरीः गौरी you write गौरी and then put sarga गौरीः so for ikaran shabdam dvitiya vibhakti bahuvachanam is ee it's important please remember that then ankani pencil ankani is pencil ikaranta strilinga ankani shabdah ankani ankanyau ankanyah dvitiya vibhakti ankanim ankanyau ankanihi similarly varnalekini same type lekini just like lekini varnalekini varnalekinyau varnalekinyah varnalekinim varnalekinyau varnalekinihi yojini stapler yojini yojan ikaranta strilinga yojini shabdah yojini yojanyau yojanyah yojinya yojinyah yojini yojinau yojinyau yojinyah योजनीं योजिन्यौ योजनीः नेक्स्ट पत्रसूची पत्रसूची पिन पत्रसूची ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग पत्रसूची शब्दः पत्रसूची पत्रसूच्यौ पत्रसूच्यः पत्रसूचीं पत्रसूच्यौ पत्रसूच्यौ पत्रसूचीः then margini margini is duster eraser duster everything margini मार्जनी शब्दः ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंगः मार्जनी शब्दः मार्जनी मार्जन्यौ मार्जन्यः मार्जनीं मार्जनीं अनुस्वार मार्जनीं मार्जन्यौ मार्जनीः विसर्ग कर्तरी शब्दः सिजर कर्तरी ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग कर्तरी शब्दः कर्तरी कर्तर्यौ कर्तर्यः कर्तरीं कर्तर्यौ कर्तरीः पुस्तकं नपुंसक शब्द अकारांत पुल्लिंग पुस्तक शब्द पुस्तक अकारांत पुल्लिंग पुस्तक शब्द अम्मुंडदु अकारांत पुल्लिंग पुस्तक शब्द अकारांग नपुंसकलिंग पुस्तक शब्द पुस्तकं पुस्तके पुस्तकानि द्वितीया विभक्ति सेम ऑल नपुंसकलिंग सब्जेक्ट वर्ड्स प्रथमा विभक्ति द्वितीया विभक्ति ऑलवेज सेम पुस्तकं पुस्तके पुस्तकानि pustakam pustake pustakam so whether if you use as a karta karma the same rupam will be there depending on the context you have to understand it. Then next we're going to Svetapatram similar way Svetapatram Svetapatre Svetapatrani akaranta napusakalinga Svetapatra shabdah Svetapatram Svetapatre Svetapatrani द्वितीया विभक्ति Svetapatram Svetapatre Svetapatrani लेखन पीठम सिंह अकारांत पुल्लिंग लेखन पीठ शब्दः लेखन पीठ शब्दः लेखन पीठम लेखन पीठे लेखन पीठानि द्वितीया विभक्ति लेखन पीठम लेखन पीठे लेखन पीठानि दंशकम जंपि दंशकम अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग दंशक शब्दः दंशकम दंशके दंशकानि द्वितीया विभक्ति दंशकं दंशके दंशकानि सेम कृष्णफलकं श्वेतफलकं कृष्णफलकं any color, what is it? Normally, Sweta Palakam, Krishna Palakam are used. Krishna Palakam, Akaranta, Shil, Napusakalinga, Krishna Palaka Sabdaha, Krishna Palakam, Krishna Palake, Krishna Palakani, Titya Bhakti, Krishna Palakam, Krishna Palake, Krishna Palakani. Any doubts to this point? Prehelika. Now, see carefully. Vishnoho. Vishnoho. Sashti Bhakti. Vishnu Yakka. Vishnos. Vishnos. Vishnus. Vishnoho. Vishnuhu. Vishnoho. Vishnoho. Ka Vallabha Devi. Vallabha means dear. Vishnoho Ka Vallabha Devi means Patni. Vishnoho Ka Vallabha Devi. Loka Tritaya Devi means Devata, or when it's going to be Devaha, then Devi. That is can take as a wife here. So Vishnoho Ka Vallabha Devi, Loka Tritaya Charini. It will be moving all the three lokas, or which is available everywhere. Loka Tritaya Charini. Varna Vajjantimau Dattva. Varnavajjantimau dattva. Kaha shabdaha tulyavachakaha. Varna adi antamau dattva. For this word, answer for this. What is the answer for this? Vishnu ka Vallabha Devi Loka Tritaya Charini. Vishnu's Patni is Lakshmi. So the Lakshmi word, some word must be there. You have to take various names for Lakshmi Devi. You have to take one of those names suitable for the second line. Vishnoho Ka Vallabha Devi Loka Tritaya Charini. Vishnu, that is Lakshmi. Lakshmi's name we have to take, some name, which is suitable for the next line. Varna Adyantimau Dattva. For that word, if you give one word, one letter before, one letter afterwards, and at the end one letter, before one end. Varnavadyantimau Dattva. Kaha Shabdaha Tulyavachakaha. Which Shabdam will become Tulyavachakaha. Tulyavachakaha means what? Equal, balance. The meaning of equality comes there. Balance. What is balance? Both the sides is equal. Then the balance, right? So Tulyavachakaha. Tulyam. So equal and cheppe, samadhanam vache, samanam and cheppe vache pair entity. What is that name for Lakshmi now? Which name we have to take Lakshmi names? To show that it is balance, or some Tulyavachakaha means balancing word. What is that? Anybody can tell? That is written at the end of the book, end of the lesson. That is Ma. Ma is also a name of the Lakshmi. Mata, Ma, like that. So Madhavi. Madhavi. Madhavi, Madhavi. So Ma is the name of the Lakshmi. Here you add Sa in the beginning, Na in the end. Samana. Samana is the word for Tulyavachaka. Samana is equal to Tulyavachaka. That's how this riddle is answered. Next comes the Sangraha Vishayaha. Saraswati Sabdam. Saraswati. See that this Ikarantam is Ikarantam. The name is Ikarantam. But in Slokam, Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatume Sada. So Saraswati, Kamarupini, both the things are Harso Ekaras. But a Pradhama Vibhakti Shabdam for Srilinga Shabdam is Ekaram, Saraswati. But why Saraswati here? Because it is Sambodhana. ఈకారాంత శబ్దం సంబోధన బికమ్స్ హ్రస్వం. హే సరస్వతి నమస్తుభ్యం, నమః తు తుభ్యం, నమః తుభ్యం నమస్తుభ్యం, నమః ప్లస్ తుభ్యం నమస్తుభ్యం, నీ కొరకు నమస్కారము. ఫర్ యూ నమస్కారం. నమః తుభ్యం, హే సరస్వతి ఫర్ యూ నమస్కారం. వరదే, ఎలాంటి నమస్కారం? సరస్వతి, వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సరస్వతి ఇస్ వరదే? హౌ వరదే హ్యాస్ కమ్? వరద ఈజ్ ది నేమ్. వరద, వరములు ఇచ్చుదానా, ది పర్సన్ హూ గివ్స్ వరాస్. Varada. Varada is the name. Her name is Varada. But when you say addressing, hey Varade, hey Site, hey Radhe, hey Late. So Akaran Shrilinga Sabdam, when you address Sambodhan Pradhana Bhakti becomes ye. Hey Varade. Our Veru Varada. Similarly, Kama Rupini. She is available in various రూపాలు. పుస్తక రూపంలో ఉంటుంది, కళ రూపంలో, రకరకాల కళల రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. సమస్త విద్యలు, అన్ని విద్యలు ఆవిడే, అన్ని రకాల విద్యలు, అన్ని రకాల రూపాలు ఆవిడవే, అన్ని కళలు ఆవిడవే. సో రకరకాల రూపాల్లో ఏ రూపం కావాలంటే ఆ రూపంలో ఉండగలదు. సో అలాంటిది కామరూపిణి, వేరియస్ రూపాల్లో ఉన్నది. ఎనీ టైప్, ఎనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రూపాస్ షీ కెన్ టేక్, వాట్ ఎవర్ రూపం షీ వాంట్స్ టు టేక్. దట్ ఈస్ ది కామరూపిణి. కామ మీన్స్ ఇచ్చతి. Rupini means figure. Kamas, by your liking, she can take any rupa. That means she is capable of getting into any type of shape. So Saraswati, Namastubhyam, Varade, Kamarupini. She is actually Kamarupini. Adjective for Saraswati is Kamarupini. But when you address, she becomes Kamarupini. Vidya Arambham. I'm starting Vidya. Karishyami. Bhavishyat Kalam. So I'm going to start. Now before that, please, Siddhir Bhavatame. Now Siddhi Kalgunattuga. Please bless me with getting Siddhi. Sada, always. May, for me. May is Aham Sabdasya Chaturdhya Bhakti May. For me, give me Siddhir Bhavatu. For me, Siddhir Bhavatu. Iti Ashirad Dadatu. This we are asking. That is the slogan. O Goddess Saraswati, you grant boons and you can take any desired form. Salutations to you. I am commencing my studies. Please bless me with success. May I always be successful. When I take the studies here, I don't take only studies, I take it as a Jnanam. Give me Jnanam. I am going to take up the study of Jnanam. Please give me that also we can take. So next slokam is similarly, Namaha Te, Namaste. Namaha plus Te becomes Namaste. Nee koraku namaskaramu. Tvamki Te. Tvam Chaturdhya Bhakti Te. Namaha Te, Namaste. We normally say Namaste to all people. How it has become? Namaha plus Te. For Tvam, Te is Chaturdhya Bhakti. When you are using Namaha, Chaturdhya Bhakti to use. So Namaha Tvam becomes Namaha Te. Namaha Te, Namaste. Visarga becomes Sakara. Namaste. Sarada becomes Sarade when addressing is done. Sarade. Devi becomes Devi. Similarly, Kashmira Paravasini becomes Kashmira Paravasini. So Kashmir lo Saraswati Peetham. It was established by Adi Shankara, which was spoiled in between. Now again, recently, last year, they have re-established that Saraswati Peetham at border of the Kashmir. So Namaste Sarade Devi, Kashmira Paravasini, Twamaham, Twam Aham. Tvam no nenu, Tvam Aham Prarthaye. Tvam Sabdaniki Tvam Ditya Bhakti. Tvam Sabdasya Ditya Bhakti is Tvam. Tvam Aham. Ninnu nenu. Tvam Aham. For you, I. Prarthaye. Atmanepati Kriya. Prarthaye. I am doing Prarthana. Prarthaye. Nityam. Eppudu Nityam. Always I do Prarthana. Prarthaye Nityam. For what? Vidyam Buddhincha Dehime. Cha means and. Vidya mariyu buddhi. Vidya, intellect as well as the knowledge. Knowledge and intellect both. Without knowledge, without intellect is no use. It becomes spoiled. So knowledge with proper intellect is required. So Vidyam and Buddhi both are required. Vidyam Buddhincha dehi me. I am requesting to give these two. Me for me. Me means again Chaturdeya Bhakti for Aham. Me. So goddess residing in Kashmir was Sharada. I bow to you. I pray to you to bestow on me learning and wisdom. Next, Samskrita Parichaya. Mahabharatam. In Mahabharatam, Mahabharata Panchama Vedaha. This is another title for Mahabharatam is Panchama Vedaha. Why it is called Panchama Vedaha? The complete essence of 4 Vedas have been explained in various forms, in various places, with various achyans, with various stories, various situations. In every situation, the Vyasa Maharshi brought the Veda dictions. It is called Vedas are called Prabhu Samhitas. Itihas are called Mitra Samhitas. Puranalu, Itihasalu, they are Mitra Samhitas. Kavyalu are Kanta Samhitas. So, in an interesting way, with stories, things have been explained in various ways, keeping a thread of story. So, Bharatam Panchamo Vedaha.
ఏం చేయరు డాక్టర్స్ అంటేనే చేయరని తెలుసు కదా.
Somebody is unmute. This is the greatest.
Muted him. You can go ahead, please.
The story of Kauravas and Pandavas is the main theme. There are many anecdotes and moral stories in it. It is the source of the themes of many a Sanskrit kavya. You all know about this. I don't need to explain these things. Bhishma's advice, Vidura's teachings, and the Bhagavad Gita are the most important sections in the Mahabharata. And on this, we will be having detailed lecture also in future in this course. Yedi hasti tadanyatra, yenne hasti natat kvachit. This is the one line of the slokam. And this line says, yedi ha asti. Whatever is here, tadanyatra, that is everywhere. What is there in Mahabharatam, because he has taken various characters and portrayed their characters in such a way that all characters in the world are covered in that. Like that, he has portrayed all the characters in that, all the senses, all the types of characters. So, yadi hasti tadanyatra, whatever the plots, whatever the names, whatever the nature of the people, all those things have been, whatever is there only available in the whole world. That means Vyasa has studied whole world and whole situation at that time and then incorporated into the story. And then, enne hasti na tadanyatra. What is not there in Mahabharatam is not there anywhere. That means he covered all the aspects of the life that is going on this earth, in this Kavyam, in this Mahabharatam. Whatever is found in it is found elsewhere. What is not found in it does not exist anywhere. This is the praise which is befitting the movie. There are characters in it which represent all aspects of human nature, such as stubborns, like Duryodhana, slander mongering like Shakuni, Shakuni, and then gluttony means that Bakasura, then then it is paternal overindulgence. Paternal overindulgence, moham, the moham of Pitrumoham by Dhritarashtra, and generosity by devotion by Ekalavya towards the teacher, and the honesty by Dharmaraja. So the characters of Duryodhana, Shakuni, Bakasura, Dhritarashtra, Karna, Ekalavya, and Dharmaraja represent the earlier qualities given here, human nature respectively. Like that, many qualities, many characters are there, many qualities also explained. That's why it is told, Yadhasti Tadanyatra. That's why it is told. Another important thing is this has got 1 lakh verses in the Mahabharata. That's why it's a very big kavya, very big itihasam. And nowhere this big is there in the world. The biggest literature in the world known to the public is Greek Iliads and Odyssey. And each doesn't cross 10,000 lines. Whereas our Mahabharata itself crosses 1 lakh slokas, that means 2 lakh lines are there. Ramayanam, 24,000 slokas, that means 48,000 lines are there. Each Purana has got not less than 10,000 slokas, every Purana. Some Puranas much more than that, 20,000 slokas are also there. So that means each Purana has got more than 10,000 slokas. That means 20,000 lines. So there are so many granthas, much more larger than the greatest world literature that is told as Greek and Iliads, which is not being known to the public. Everybody thinks those two things are only the biggest literature in the world. But whereas we have got tens of books in that, bigger than that here in our literature, in our Sanskrit literature. So these verses are very difficult to understand. He has created 800 verses in between the Mahabharata, very difficult verses. In Sanskritam, there are three pakas. Kadali Drakshapakam, Kadali Pakam, and Narikela Pakam. So Kadali Drakshapakam is just like Draksha. Just put in your mouth and it gets swallowed. That's all. That's so easy. Sarala Bhasha. Then Kadali Bhasha is just you have to break up slightly, break up the words and see and then understand. Just like remove the chilka and then eat Kadali Phalam. So just like Kadali Phalam, you have to slightly struggle to make the understanding of this sloka. Then next comes Narikela Paka. The Narikela Paka, you have to break it and remove it, and then you have to make the Anvaya Rachana and then interpret and get the meanings of every word and position of the every word, what kriya you used. All those things will have a very difficult chapter to get. Those things are Narikela Paka. In that Narikela Paka, he has made 800 verses. Why there is a story on this. It is said that while getting the Mahabharata written by Ganapati, acting as a scribe, Vyasa used to recite such verses, just gaining the time to compose the next verse in the narration. So it was told that Ganesha has put a condition. I cannot stop. I am a Ganapati, Vidhanadipati. So once I start, I cannot stop it. I cannot do Vijna for my writing. So that is my nature. So don't stop in between. If you stop it, I cannot write. I don't want to write. I'll stop it there itself. So that's how he has put a condition to Vyasa. You should not stop telling me. Then how to come out of that problem? Then written condition Vyasa put. Okay, whatever slokam I tell, you understand and then write. Then it's okay. So with that condition, he has created the 800 slokas in between so that Ganesh will take time to understand that and then write. Meanwhile, the remaining story, Vyasa will form it. Like that. That is the story. It was in practice. It was in the books. It was an agreed condition that Vyasa should dictate the stanzas continuously without a pause, and Ganapati would stop taking dictation. Or Ganapati would stop taking dictation. So like that. The Mahabharata is very exclusive work. No other literary work in the world can equal it in length. It is more than the length of the Greek classics, Iliad and Odyssey put together. Much more than that. Iliad and Odyssey, much more than 20,000, not more than 20,000. One book each only, that's all. Mahatvat, Bharavatvat cha Mahabharatam uchyate. The name Mahabharatam is very apt because of the great depth in its content and the meanings behind the depth of knowledge, philosophy. The whole Vedas philosophy is there in that, either in rituals as well as Vedantam. Karmakanda and Jnanakanda, both are very detailedly explained in Mahabharata. All the 4 sections of Vedas and all Vedas has been totally explained in Mahabharata. That's why it is called Panchama Veda. And its volume, which is big, having 1 lakh slokas. So this question may come like this: why it is called Mahabharata? Because it is the depth of content, and then depth of its content and volume on these stories. Then Katha. And let us go to Katha. Simple Katha, which giving the importance of the Vidya. Vidyayaha Mahatvam. Vidya Srilinga Sabdam. Vidya Akaranta Srilinga Sabdam. Further, Sashti Bhakti is Vidyaya. Vidyas. Vidya apostrophe S. Vidyas. But Vidyas apostrophe S is Yaha. With Akaranta Sabdam Ramasya. Akaranta Sabdam Yaha. Vidyayaha Mahatvam. Mahatvam means greatness. Importance, greatness, like that. So what is the importance of the Vidya? One story, small story is created there to make the importance of Vidya. Ekam nagaram asit. Ekaha kakaha asti. We learned earlier. Ekaha kakaha. Ekaha jumbukaha. Ekaha vruddhaha. Here, ekam nagaram asit. Nagaram napusakam. Ekam also napusakam. Ekaha pullingam. Kakaha pullingam. Vruddhaha pullingam. Ekaha pullingam. Like that. Ekam nagaram asit. Kim asit? Nagaram asit. Kati nagarani santi? Ekam nagaram asit. Tatra. Kutra? Nagare. Tatra nagare. Tat nagare. Ramaha Somaha iti mitra dvayam. Dvayam ardhat two. Mitra dvayam. Friends. Two friends. So mitra dvayam is ekvachan sabdam again. That's why the kriya is asit. Mitra dvayam asit. Mitra dvayam ekvachan sabdam. Though there are two in that, but sabdam is ekvachan sabdam. Mitra dvayam asit. If it is bahuvachanam, we should have used asan. And if it is divachanam, we have used it staha. But it is not divachanam. It is ekvachanam only. So Ramaha Somaha iti mitra dvayam asit. Ramaha vidyam ichchati. Ramaha kim ichchati? Vidyam ichchati. Vidya vidyam. Ditya vibhakti. Ramaha vidyam ichchati. Vidyam karma. Ichchati kriya. Kaha ichchati? Ramaha ichchati. Kim ichchati? Vidyam ichchati. Kam ichchati. Kam ichchati. Vidyam ichchati. Somaha dhanam ichchati. Ichchati. Kaha ichchati? Somaha ichchati. Kim ichchati? Dhanam ichchati. Ikkada dhanam napusaka sabdam. That's why it is kim ichchati. Akkada vidya Srilinga sabdam. That's why kam ichchati. Kam ichchati, vidyam ichchati. Kim ichchati? Dhanam ichchati. So Somaha dhanam ichchati. Ramaha vidyam ichchati. Ekada. Da is kada indicates time. Ekada, once. Ekada indicates once. Once mitradvayam. Videsham, foreign country. Videsham agachat. And the Swantanagaram was Sonagaram Chatva Itaranagaram Gatavanta. Okay. Ekada mitradvayam videsham agachat. Ramaha tatra vidyabhyasam akarot. Ramaha tatra vidyabhyasam akarot. Somaha dhana sampadhanam akarot. Somaha kim akarot? Dhana sampadhanam akarot. Anekani varshani agachan. Anekani varshani agachan. Many years passed away. Anekani varshani. Varsham napusakam. So varshani bahuvachanam. Anekani varshani. Anekani varshani agachan. Agachan is a bahuvachana kriya. Agachat ekavachanam. Agachan bahuvachanam. So anekani varnani varshani agachan. Mitradvayam api swanagaram agachat. Here agachat ekavachanam. Indukani mitradvayam ekavachanam sabdam. So mitradvayam agachat. Kutra agachat? Swanagaram agachat. Swanagaram agachat. So api means also. Api is equal to also. Mitradvayam also came back to their house, their nagaram. Marge, Saptami Vibhakti. Margaha, Marge. Marge, Marge, Choraha, Agachan, Agachati, Agachan. Ke agachanti, ke agachan, choraha agachan. Choraha bahuvachanam, agachan bahuvachana kriya. Choraha agachat, choraha agachan, agachan. Somasya dhanam aharan. They took away the money of Somaha. Somasya dhanam aharan. Harati aharan. Harati haranti. Haranti शब्दस्य बहुवचन भूतकालम aharan. Aharat ekvachanam, aharan bahuvachanam. Anantaram mitradvayam nagaram agachat. Anantaram mitradvayam nagaram agachat. Both the people, both the friends came to the own town. Nagare Maharaja asit. Nagare kaha asit? Maharaja asit. Saha mitradvayam apasyat. You have seen both the friends. Anantaram Vidyavantam Ramam ahvayat. Afterwards, he invited the educated person Rama to his court. Anantaram Vidyavantam Ramam. Ramam Ditya Bhakti used here. Rama Sabdasya Ditya Bhakti. Ramam. Anantaram Vidyavantam. Vidyavantaha Pradhama Bhakti. Vidyavantam Ditya Bhakti. Vidyavantaha Ramaha Pradhama Bhakti. Vidyavantam Ramam Ditya Bhakti. So Ramaha, the adjective to Ramaha is Vidyavantaha. So if you are making Rama Shabdam in Ditya Bhakti, then its adjective also should be in Ditya Bhakti. Vidyavantam. Vidyavantaha Ramaha. Vidyavantam Ramam. Anantaram Vidyavantam Ramam ahvayat. He called the Rama to court. Tvam Mantristane Tishta. Mantristanam, Mantristane. Mantristanam Ekavachanam. Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Mantristane Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. In the place of Mantri. Tvam Mantristane Tishta. Tvam Tishta. Madhyam Purusha Vakyam. Tvam Tishta. Idi Agnartha. Tvam Tishta. Tvam Gacha. Parasmapadi Kriya. Lotlakaram. Madhyam Purusha Ekavachanam. Tvam Tishta. Tvam Gacha. Tvam Ichcha. Tvam like that. Some Parasmapadi Rupa. Tvam Mantristane Tishta. Iti avadat. Bhutakalam. Vadati Attamakalam. Avadat Bhutakalam. He told like that. Who? Kaha avadat? Maharaja. Maharaja avadat. Kam avadat? Evariki cheppadu? Kam Ramam. Ramam avadat. Anantaram Ramam ahvaya. Iti avadat. Ramaha mantri abhavat. Bhavati abhavat. Abhavat is bhutakalam. Bhavati is vartamana. Ramaha mantri abhavat. Somaha vidya vihinaha. Soma did not care for learning knowledge. He has just spent his time in spending earning the money only. So he could not improve his knowledge to become a minister. What happens? So he doesn't have the proper education to become a minister. Somaha vidya vihinaha. Not like in our government. In our government, in thumb impression well also can become a minister. Not even a minister, they can become prime minister also. Somaha vidya vihinaha. Saha jivanardham Ramasya sevakaha abhavat. Saha jivanardham Ramasya sevakaha abhavat. He became the servant of, because he has to live now. That's why he has taken the help of his friend and joined him. Saha jivanardham Ramasya sevakaha abhavat. Astu. Now let us see the questions. There was a king in the city. It was two friends. They were poor. Ramaha kim ichchati. Ramaha kim ichchati. Rama kim ichchati.
Ramah Vidyam Ichati.
Vidyam ichati. Vidyam, how to write? Dot or makaram?
Makaram.
Because he is there. Next word is he.
Yeah.
The vowel is there. So, kaha dhanam ichati? Next question. Kaha dhanam ichati?
Somaha dhanam ichyati.
Somaha dhanam ichati. Somaha. So here dhanam also makaram will be written because ichati is the vowel. And mitradvayam kutra agachat. Mitradvayam kutra agachat kutra.
Mitradvayam Videsham Agachat.
Videsham. There is no dirgham varsha.
Videsham,
Videsham
sir.
agachat.
Videsham.
Videsham agachat.
Okay.
So
Videsham.
Ramaha Somaha cha kim akarot. What did they do there? Ramaha vidyabhyasam akarot. Somaha धन संपादनम अकरोत्. धनम संपादनम अकरोत्. धन संपादनम अकरोत्. विद्याभ्यासम धन संपादनम अकरोत्. So 2 sentences you have to write answer for this. Ramah one sentence, Somaha one sentence. Ramah vidyabhyasam akarot, Somaha dhana sampadhanam akarot. Raja Ramam kim avadat. Ramam makaram. ఇక్కడ అనుస్వారం రాశాడు ఎందుకని నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్
Key.
consonant is there key. That's why Ramam he didn't put a dot there. He didn't write makara. As written anuswaram there. So Raja Ramam kim avadat. Tvam mantristane tishta.
त्वं मन्त्रिस्थाने तिष्ठ.
Inverted commas. Within inverted commas. Iti. Whenever you write a direct speech sentence in inverted commas, you have to put iti at the end. Okay. So Raja Ramam Tvam mantristane tishta within inverted commas iti avadat. Iti avadat.
ఇది
Next, let us go to
గురుగారు
సంస్కృత
ఇది
వ్యవహారం.
ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పింటే ఎట్లా చెప్పుంటారండి ఇది ఇప్పుడు మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పారు
డైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్.
ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పుంటే ఇప్పుడు రాజా రామం మంత్రిస్థానే తిష్టతు అని చెప్పుంటావచ్చా
రామం అవదత్. రామం అది మనం ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకోవద్దు, కొంచెం డిఫికల్ట్ థింగ్.
అచ్చా సరే
ఇక మే గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్ ఆర్
Okay.
మంత్రిస్థానం
అంటే ఇచ్చినారు అని చెప్పడం రాజు రాముడికి మంత్రిస్థానం ఇచ్చినారు.
రాజా రామం మంత్రిస్థానం దత్తవాన్ అదదత్.
ఓకే
మంత్రిస్థానే స్థాపితవాన్ అని ఆ సెంటెన్స్ రెండుగా అది విడిగా వస్తుంది సెంటెన్స్.
సరే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Or Raja asked Rama to take the place of minister. Raja Ramam mantristane స్థాతుం ఉక్తవాన్. ఇంకా కొన్ని క్రియలు నేర్చుకోవాలి మనం.
సరే కాంప్లెక్స్ గా
చెప్పాలంటే కూర్చొనుటకు. ఆ కూర్చొనుటకు అనేది తుమ్మని ప్రత్యయం చెప్పాలి కదా. రాజా రామం కిం అవదత్. మంత్రిస్థానే తిష్ట ఇది అవదత్. నెక్స్ట్ సంస్కృత వ్యవహార స్మా ప్రయోగం. ది స్మా ప్రయోగం ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్ అండ్ వాట్ వాజ్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్ వీఆర్ టెలింగ్ టుడే. ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ టేక్ ది వర్తమాన కాల క్రియ అండ్ యాడ్ స్మా. That gives past present tense. What you were doing in the past, that will give that meaning. So Gopalaha abhinayam karoti sma. If sma is not there, he is doing now. Abhinayam karoti. Now he is doing average. If we add sma to that, it gives meaning that he was doing abhinayam long back, not now. Not maybe or may not be, but he was doing this one long back. So Gopalaha abhinayam, that means acting. Abhinayam karoti sma. Te bhajanam kurvanti sma. Te bhajanam kurvanti sma. They were doing prarthana, worshipping with songs long back. Kurvanti sma, earlier. Long back earlier. Aham nrityam karomi sma. I was doing dancing earlier. Nenu పూర్వకాలే డాన్స్ చేస్తూ ఉండేదానిని. I used to dance. Aham nrityam karomi sma. పూర్వకాలే nrityam karomi sma. Taha vijnanam paఠయంతి sma. Taha means ladies. Sa sabdasya taha bahuvachanam. Sa, that lady. Taha, those ladies. Those ladies. Those ladies anటానికి taha. Taha vijnanam paఠయంతి sma. Those female people, those ladies, were teaching science. Vijnanam. Paఠయంతి sma. Paఠayanti. Vayam asatyam vadamaha sma. We were telling lies. We are not telling now, or we may be telling now also. There is different issue. Vayam asatyam vadamaha sma. మేము అబద్ధం చెప్తూ ఉండేవాళ్ళము అని పాతది ఓల్డ్ స్టోరీ యు ఆర్ టెల్లింగ్ నౌ. వయం అసత్యం వదామహ స్మ. సో వదామహ, పాఠయంతి, కరోమి, కుర్వంతి, కరోతి, all these things are వర్తమాన కాల క్రియా రూపాస్. For that, if you add sma, becomes past present tense. So tvam gayasi sma. నువ్వు పాడుతూ ఉండేదానివి కదా, పాడుతూ ఉండేవాడివి కదా. ఎర్లియర్ త్వం గాయసి స్మ. ఆడవాళ్ళు అవచ్చు, మగవాళ్ళు అవచ్చు. మీరు ఇంతకుముందు పాడుతూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు కదా అంటాం కదా, అదనమాట. త్వం గాయసి స్మ ఖలు అంటే మీరు పాడుతూ ఉండేవాళ్ళు కదా ఇది వరకు అనొచ్చు. ఖలు అని యాడ్ చేస్తే కదా, ఇజ్ ఇట్ నాట్ ఇట్ అనే ప్రైజ్ వస్తుంది. త్వం గాయసి స్మ ఖలు. అదే భవాన్ అయితే భవాన్ గాయతి స్మ ఖలు. భవాన్ గాయతి. భవతి గాయతి. భవతి గాయతి స్మ ఖలు. భవాన్ గాయతి స్మ ఖలు. త్వం గాయసి స్మ ఖలు. గాయసి స్మ ఖలు. So this how this is sma prayogam. Then lekhana niyamaha. So now be careful on this, because this is going to put you in trouble always. If you forget it, you lose marks in these things. So this should be carefully remembered. Saha karyam akarot. Here karyam dot they have put here. Karyam makaram should be there, but they have put dot. When I is there, next letter of the vowel, what they have to put here? Makaram they have to put. But they have put dot here. That is wrong. Similarly, aham grandham. This aham dot is right, correct, because ga is consonant, not a vowel. But grandham, after grandham, apatham is there. So grandham should not be anuswaram. It should be makaram here. Similarly, apatham, end of the vakyam. This should not be dot. This should be makaram. So that's what the rules they are going to tell now. There are 3 rules. The first rule is, if anuswaram is followed by a vowel, the letter makaram should be written in its place. If 2 letters are there and first letter end is makaram, anuswaram, then next letter beginning is vowel, this anuswaram you should write makaram. Pustakam anayati. So a is there, second letter. So first letter pustakam makaram should be written. You cannot write dot. Pustakam anayati. Then kshiram ichchati. So the first letter end is makaram, because next letter beginning is vowel. Only jalam, ushnam, asti. After jalam, ushnam, who is there. After ushnam, asti is there. In both the cases, next word beginning is vowel. That's why makarams are written. Jalam, ushnam. This is one rule. The second rule is, if anuswaram is not at the end of the sentence, is at the end of the sentence, ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది సెంటెన్స్ లో కనుక మకారం ఉంటే, అనుస్వారం ఉంటే మకారం రాయాలి. ది లెటర్ ఎం షుడ్ బి రిటర్న్ ఇన్ ఇట్స్ ప్లేస్. సో ఉదాహరణ, ఏతత్ పుస్తకం, ఇది పుస్తకము. ఏతత్ పుస్తకం, the పుస్తకం అనుస్వారం is there at the end. But since it is the end of the sentence, you have to write makaram. You cannot write dot at the end of the sentence. At the end of the sentence, you cannot close it with dot. You have to write always makaram. That is important rule. Then, Ayodhya Sundaram Nagaram. This is also complete. Sentence is complete. So, end is Nagaram. Anuswaram is there. So that you have to write makaram only. Ayodhyam Sundaram Nagaram. In between Sundaram is there. But next word is with consonant. Sundaram dot is. Aham Vakyam Avadam. Aham is dot because next is va. Hal. Avadam. Before Avadam, Vakyam. That is makaram you have written. For Vakyam you have written makaram. For Aham you have written dot. Because after Aham, consonant is there. After Vakyam, vowel is there. So that's why this is second rule. The second rule is end of the sentence should be makaram. That is second rule. Third rule is, second rule is, I'm sorry, in the end of sentence. End of the sentence, makaram. The next third rule is, in the rest of these instances, if an anuswaram is followed by a consonant, it should be written with a dot above the letter. So if the third rule is, if a anuswaram is followed by a consonant, it is invariably anuswaram is to be written. Saha nagaram gacchati. Here nagaram anuswaram only out written. Right. Rama phalam khadati. Phalam only anuswaram out written. The rule is followed in the lesson, in all the lessons, and should be strictly followed while writing in Sanskrit script. Okay. So now he was reading. Saha patati sma. Saha patati sma. I was singing. Aham gayami sma. People were working hard. Janaha working is karyam kurvanti sma. Janaha karyam kurvanti sma. She was scolding. Sa nindati sma. Sa nindati sma. We were playing. Vayam kridamaha sma. Like that. So similarly, apply the rule of anuswara in the following sentence. You have to practice these things. This abhyasam you practice. Next, Subhashtam. Very important Subhashtam. Acharyat padamadatte. If you a complete knowledge, you break into 4 quarters. First quarter is responsible fellow is Guru. Guru is responsible. Acharya. Acharyat, from Acharya, Padam Adatte. From Acharya, only quarter portion will come out of the one full. Okay. Acharyat, Padam Adatte. Padam Sishya Swamedhaya. So, in student's mind, there should be something to medha. Some medha should be there in his mind. If that is not, if it is absent, that quarter is gone. Whatever the Guru gives, it doesn't absorb there. So, Swamedha, Swanta Bedha, Swanta efforts is required. So, Sishya has to put 1 quarter effort. Padam Sishya Sabedhaya. Padam Sabrahmacharibhyaha. The third quarter is very important to get associated with other friends, other colleague classmates, so that you will learn the various subjects. You will be expert in your subject. You will be expert in mathematics. Some other fellow will be expert in science. Some other fellow will be expert in language. So if you have good friendship, you can exchange your views and improve your knowledge. But when you come to higher levels, post-graduation, doctorate levels, you need to know a lot of subjects for doing some research and all those things. So every person may not be knowing all the items. So you have to make friendship with other man who is expert in those things and get associated and then get the knowledge. So third quarter depends on what type of friends you have. If you have got good friends, you can excel very well. If you don't have good friends, then automatically you'll also be average person. Padam Sabrahmacharibhya. So we have to associate with good friends who has the knowledge. And fourth one is Padam Kalakramenasa. Experience. After knowing all this, you have to put in practice, application. Experience is required. Without application, whatever knowledge you have cannot be properly interpreted. So Kalakramenacha, with experience only you can get the complete knowledge. You can claim that you know the thing. You know the Shastram and you don't know how to apply it. What is the use of that Shastram? Then is no use. So you have to apply it and find out how it fares well and what are the amendments required, what type of extra things you should know. We have to work on those things. It's mainly applicable for application type of sciences such as anything, even lecturer also. Unless he teaches to somebody, he cannot say that he knows everything. Similarly, doctor, unless he practices and kills some people, he cannot say that he is expert in doctor, in killing or giving this. So, like that. So, Kalakramena only it will be known what is the capacity he has got. Acharyat padamadatte padam sishya samedhaya padam sabrahmacharibhya padam kalakramena sya. So, this is the thing. So, now I have completed 5 lessons. If you got any doubts, okay. Otherwise, I will review tomorrow and after tomorrow. 2 classes are there for us. Both the 2 classes I will review and I will give you some experience questions also. I will try to make you understand how to answer the questions in objective test. So that depends on I am making some objective questions to you, and those questions you may like to answer those things. Okay, tomorrow and after tomorrow we'll revise all the 5 lessons. Come with your doubts. Please come with your doubts for next 2 days classes. Please utilize this, and then next thing is start reading, continue to read the whole book. After June end 28th, these classes are over. Sanatana classes are over. My morning classes will start on April 15th for Pravesha classes. From April 15th, every week only 2 days only. That will be 2 days or 1 day only. So probably I will be continuing. I will be only completing 5 lessons by end of June. So if you join me after June, in July and August, you will be able to complete the remaining 5 lessons also, classes, and then you will be able to write examination. August end, last Sunday is the August examination. If you are in Hyderabad, you can go to the hall, examination hall, and write. If you are outside, you can write online. They will give permission for online. Hyderabad people, they give permission for online writing. You can take permission while registering. You can register in July also. You can register now also, you can register in July also. If you register now itself, you will get the book. That's better. Get registered now with Samskrita Bharati. I already given the numbers. Contact them. Get the book. You must. If somebody already got it, okay. If we did not get till now, we are managing with my lessons only, digital lessons. Please buy the book immediately and read and get prepared for August. And afterwards, you can join Parichaya lessons of my classes and continue up to Kovida. If you go to Kovida, then only you will have comfortable knowledge that you can read any sloka and understand. Now you will develop only the Vibhakti knowledge in Pravesha. 7 Vibhaktis, how to use, how to make Katari active voice sentences. That you will know here now. So, and if any doubt in between you have got also, between now and June, any doubts, you can put message to me on WhatsApp or you can call me on my number. I will be always to support you. Any doubts now? Anybody?
Yeah, there is one doubt regarding the slokam on Saraswati. Is it Kashmira Vasini or Kashmira Vahini?
Vasini.
Vasini. Yeah. Okay, that's the only one doubt which has been put in the chat box.
Vasini is there. Book Vasini is there. Why the doubt has come?
I don't know.
Kashmirapura Vasini. Vahini is also, generally Vahini is also correct because most of the Pandits have come from Kashmir. That's why. If you call it Vahini, Vahini is also correct. In Sanskritam, you can attribute anything, anyway. with different letters. Any Sanskrit sloka can be attributed in 3 ways. One is language wise, second is social aspect, third is philosophical aspect. 3 ways we can explain any sloka. And if depends on the number of words you have, number of meanings you have. Some words will have number of meanings. So you can convey number of meanings. That's why it is most useful language for transmitting the message by that's called inspire. What is called spies, spying, for spying work, for conveying secret messages to the army and other places, for kings, etc. The Sanskrit is the best language, because if the meaning that is appearing outside is different, the meaning, the person who knows the subject, the meaning will be different. That's how this can be written. So that advantage is there in Sanskrit, other than computer language. Computer language is the other thing. That computer language, how they told is, say, Ramaha Ravanam Vadati. The meaning doesn't change wherever you put the Rama. Ravanam Ramaha Vadati. Same meaning. Ramaha Vadati Ravanam. Same meaning. Vadati Ravanam Ramaha. Same meaning. You put anywhere anything, Karta Karma Kriya, anywhere you put it, the meaning is same. But is it the same in English? No, it is not. Rama killed Ravana. If we change the word Ravana to Rama, Ravana, it becomes Ravana killed Rama. Meaning totally different. So that is not so with Sanskritam. Sanskritam, individual word conveys the position correctly because it is based on the vibhaktis, and the word itself changes to the vibhakti. The 7 vibhaktis, 7 applications of the word. The word is applied in 7 ways, used in 7 ways in the language of speaking. Every word is used in 7 ways. That 7 ways application is fixed with the Rama becomes Ramam. The Rama becomes Ramena. Rama becomes Ramaya. Rama itself becomes Ramat. Rama becomes Ramasya. Then Rame. So all the 7 is this Rama Shabdam only. That same word is used. But whereas in English it is not so. If you want to use as an object, Titya Vibhakti, accusative case means the Rama, Rama, by Rama, for Rama, from Rama, Ramas. Like that, it changes. In Rama. Telugulo ante. Telugulo you have to add something else. Dumu, Vulu, you have to add Rama Vibhakti. Ninula, Kuchi, Gurinchi, Telugu, Titya Vibhakti. Chetan Chain, Todanton, you have to add in Titya Vibhakti. Korakunkai, you have to add in 4th Chaturthi Vibhakti. Vallan Kantan Patti, you have to add in Panchami Vibhakti. Kiku Yakka, Lon Lopala, Sashti Vibhakti. Andunan, Saptami Vibhakti. So you will add another word. Because you are adding another word, if you change the position, the meaning changes. But whereas in Sanskritam, the word itself transforms into different position. That's why wherever you put word in the slokam, it will convey the same meaning. Another important thing is Ucharana. If you change the Ucharana, either silent or short or long, the meaning changes. Because every syllable has got a significant meaning. Sanskritam, every syllable has got a specific meaning. If you change that into different pronunciation, that phonetics highly important. So just like that, that's why I told you this Marjal Kishoran. Om Yam Vaidika Mantra Purana Indram Yamamata Riswana Mahu Vedantino Nirvachaniya Mekam Tam Brahma Saddena Vinidhisanti Shaivayamisham Sivayitya Vochan Yam Vaishnava Vishnu Ripistuvanti Buddhastadarhan Iti Bauddha Jaina Sasri Akaleti Chasikha Santaha Sasteti Kechit Prakriti Kumaraha Swamiti Mateti Piteti Bhaktya Yam Prarthayante Jagadisitaram Sayekayeva Prabhuradvitiya Om Shanti 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 Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Vanatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvi Navadhi Tamastuma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti 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 Satyam Vada Dharman Chara Sarve Janaha Sukno Bhavantu Sri Krishnarpanastu Idanama Namaskaraha Dhanyavadaha Swaha Paraswaha Vayam Abhyasam Kurmaha Patitva Agachantu.
ధన్యవాదములండి గురువు గారు. Thank you so much for this 1.5 hour lecture. Now let's go for Prarthana. Sharada garu.
సార్ స్వస్తిః ప్రజాభ్యం పరిపాలయంతాం న్యాయేన మార్గేణ మహీం మహిషాః గోబ్రాహ్మణేభ్యం శుభమస్తు నిత్యం లోకాః సమస్తాః సుఖినో భవంతు కాలే వర్షతు పర్జన్యః పృథివీ సస్యశాలినీ దేశోऽयं క్షోభరహితో గోబ్రాహ్మణాः సంతు నిర్భయాः అపుత్రాः పుత్రిణः సంతు పౌత్రిణः అధనः సధనः సంతు జీవంతు శరదాం శతం సత్యం వద ధర్మం చర స్వాధ్యాయాన్మా ప్రమదః సర్వే భవంతు సుఖినః సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః సర్వే భద్రాణి పశ్యంతు మా కచ్చిత్ దుఃఖభాగ్ భవేత్. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. ఓం పూర్ణమదః పూర్ణమిదం పూర్ణాత్ పూర్ణముదచ్యతే పూర్ణస్య పూర్ణమాదాయ పూర్ణమేవావశిష్యతే. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతి. సర్వే జనా సుఖినో భవంతు. స్వస్తి.
ధన్యవాదములండి శారద గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్ us go for నేషనల్ యాంథమ్. చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
भाग्य
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
जय
जय हिंद. जय श्री राम. जय श्री राम.
ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు.